Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, and today it will be my last unboxing of 2020. And I'm actually super excited in showing this product to you guys. It is purchased over from Kickstarter and it is a product that uses SpiraFlex technology which is used in NASA, and this is a product from Oyo Nova Gym. So for this product, I got myself the black color version. They also come with a silver and a special weight version, only if they hit certain amount of backer. So after a big box followed by a medium box, right now this is the actual box. First impression of this box, looks really amazing. Branding, it's their special font created for Oyo Nova, and the product smack just right in front of you. And as I mentioned earlier, this is powered by SpiraFlex technology, which is one of the technology used by NASA. And the side of the box is actually very interesting, and it looks like there is a full range of exercise and it is hand illustrated. And it seems like it's inspired by the Chinese 武林秘籍 kind of. So move towards to the right, you'll see just the OYO branding. On the other side, which is the bottom of the box, which they have a full range of exercises again, which is not repeated. And I really think it's very cool for a company like them focus a lot on fitness branding. And at the back is just a liner that says fitness that fits your lifestyle. So what type of lifestyle are they talking about? Which is basically for people who likes to travel and people who stay at home quite a lot. And by judging the box, you know that they are very serious about this product, because not a lot of company will put so much effort on doing a packaging box like that. Opening up for the first time, you will see a quick start guide smacking right in front of you, telling you how to install, how to use, and how to fold. And the best of all, is all illustrated, which is very interesting for a company like them going for this type of approach. I believe most of the company will use real human or reference images to showcase. And there's a warning sign that says do not put more than 4 flex pad. Okay, the first thing we saw from the box is another instruction manual, which is printed in a smaller pamphlet. So these are just basically a backup menu in case you're going to throw that box away, a small menu for you to reference. Next up is a mesh bag, which was given free because it hits certain amount in the Kickstarter. And right now I'm just going to quickly open up and let you guys see what's inside this mesh bag. So as you can see over here, it is the OYO mesh bag, and the branding is really big smack right in the middle, and it does not fit in nicely, but of course the Nova Gym can be folded into half and then store it inside the bag. And next up is also free, which is the exercise towel from OYO. I'm just going to quickly open up and show you guys how big that towel is. It's more like the face towel instead of those body towel. So the next thing over here is a printed guidebook and also their sticker branding. I find these printed guidebooks really interesting because it is like a deck of cards. It looks like a game, and there's actually an instruction manual about this card. On the top left hand corner, you will see a color indications of which part of the body you are trained. Also illustration to show you and demo for you. If you are not very sure, there is also a QR code which you can just scan and view it from there. Next is a product guide, which will guide you to download their nutrition guide or even down to the exercises. They have included a name card size card to show your appreciation with them, whether you are happy or not happy with the product. You can write into them. And let's just have a quick look of what the product guide is. Inside there is the table of content talking about their product. They show yet again another how to use quick start guide. Also the leg and door attachment, how you can use it. The top 10 exercises that also included in here, plus all the nutrition guide, etc. etc. It is one of the most detailed, I would say. And here is the main product itself, the Hero Unit, which I'm going to check it out later on, because beneath it there's here quite a number of stuff to check it out. And next up is the door and leg attachment, which is used for extra exercises. And beneath it there is another set of menu, which this time around is a full page, full color, full range types of different exercises you can do with this device. There's also QR code for you to scan to view individual poses that you can view from their YouTube, I guess. And I'm really impressed by the amount of stuff I open up and see. And last but not least is the flex pad, which you can install and create more resist to the device itself. And here you go, this is the Oyo Nova Gym device. From the video they have advertised, which initially I thought that it is made out of steel or some even heavier material, but didn't expect that they actually use plastic. Yes, it's plastic. So in terms of quality wise, I have no idea if this thing will last or not, but it seems quite robust when I pull or push. So you might be thinking, how do you use this to train yourself? And if it's so lightweight, well, they are using a method called resistance training. If you want to have more resistance, all you need to do is to install more flex pad on top of each other. So I just need to disclaimer a bit, I'm not any gym expert or whatsoever. I'm just buy because I just want to train myself to look better. I'm not sure whether this thing will work. Looking at all the recommendations video and also the amount of work that this company does for this packaging, it seems like this device should be able to replace certain things but not everything. And all because of this pandemic, gyms are limited to number of packs and the station will need to be sanitized after each training. So with this, you can comfortably do this at home and do it on your own pace without anyone looking, and you are always safe at home. Hey, but let me know what you think. Do you think that this item is a gimmick, or do you think that this thing really will work? If you are a gym expert, maybe you can comment down in the comment section below and let me know, and I'm really curious to know what you guys think about this thing. And this is my first impression and initial thoughts. Alright guys, that is it for my video. If you find this video useful or interesting, maybe you can slap a like button, subscribe to be my friend, and alright, I'm going to train my bicep with this product right now, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.